Hi, this is Tony Grant from feedmeleads.org. Hi, Stacy. We spoke on the phone, and I told you I would send you over this screencast. So here it is. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I just want to go over how I would get your website ranked. I send out screencasts with a bunch of free information to different business owners, but often when they see what I do, how I do it, and how much work I put into it, they'll want to team up. If so, devour at feedmeleads.org. Okay, I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. Then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So here I am at your homepage. Looks great. You have a very visual bunch of products and a bunch of different domains. However, let me do a word count on this, and that is 1,488 words. Yeah, so Google is going to be ranking your website based on around 200 different factors. One of these key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. Good job. You also want to have a bunch of different ways of organizing it. So everything is kind of based on word count. They'll have you have one link per 150 words, or one inter-company link, or one backlink, or whatever. And also, there's ways of choosing words, so you have the right number of keywords, and you can have them underscored and bolded, and all things which Google recognizes, but are also ways of pointing out to customers what's important here on your site. You also make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to send out their bots, crawl through your site, and determine whether or not that content on there would help their users. And so over here, I popped into Google. And you'll notice that we have no ads at the top of this map, but that's usually where they would be. Now we have the map. This is called the map pack. So we have the map, and on there are 3 businesses, which are listed down below, and they are chosen by Google according to an algorithm, or a bunch of algorithms that include a very important one, which is we need to have a lot of citations. A citation is when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Yext are all good examples of online directories and people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more directories than these 3 businesses are here. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit, and here we're going to get to what they call the organic search results. This is where this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to click on one of those organic search results, and they're almost always going to be one of the top few. And in addition to organic, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. A backlink is a clickable text on another website that when somebody clicks on it, it leads back to your website, basically like a shout out. You want to get these backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. I'm going to pop on over here to a tool called Ahrefs, which is Ahrefs. It's a great tool. Use it all the time. It's good for everything from backlinks to just any kind of link to just all kinds of analysis of the site. Right now, I'm going to go to the backlink checker, and they have. So I've typed in your competitor's website in here, and what we have is they have a domain rating of 0, top left. That's out of 100. So backlinks, they have 76 backlinks, which is more than 0. But it's also, if you look over here, they're all from Sacramento Vehicle Wraps, their own company, right? These are all backlinks from their company, their own company, to themselves. And you'll also notice that they have a bunch of no follows. No follow means that this website, this quick backlink, counts almost not at all for them. You have to go to their site and click on the link from their site. You can't borrow the link, in effect. Let's look at that again. That's 0 and 76. So let's go look at your site. You have a domain rating of 18, which is definitely better than 0. But remember, it's out of 100. The backlinks, you have a ton of backlinks, 8,434 backlinks. But let's take a look down here, and we have four direction signs. They're all from your own website. I mean, I'm sure they're not all from your own website, but certainly a lot of them are. So you can we can improve on this. We can cull some of those. We can make them take out the no content, no follow, and we can improve your domain rating. So I would like to now recap what we've been talking about here. So to recap our little talk, number one, add more content or better content and make sure it has location-specific buyer intent keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. 2, more citations that get you ranked on the map pack, not just locally at Folsom, but throughout Sacramento. And 3, more high-powered, relevant backlinks. It's not a matter of quantity; it's a matter of quality. If you're a scientist trying to promote your product, a link from Nature magazine is going to be better than, the local whatever you follow. So if you're interested, contact me at devour@feedmeleads.org, DEVOUR@feedmeleads.org. Thanks very much.